Alright guys, welcome to today's video. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a tripod mount for my phone and for my iPad that I recently ordered from Amazon. I was able to do this mainly because I redeemed the points that I've received from Webull app. I made a video about it. I'm going to link it. You'll be able to go and check it out if you do paper trading over there and make any kind of profits. You'll be able to redeem points, and also if you refer people sign up with your link and all that fun stuff, that will give you points, and you have to redeem those points to get an Amazon gift card. So my points were accumulating over there. So I had to use them before they expire, otherwise they're just going to expire. So I redeemed the points that I've received from Webull app, and I basically ordered a tripod mount for my iPad and for my phone, and I also ordered a mic, but the mic is not here yet, and I'm not gonna be able to make a video about that. But I'm just gonna make a video about that. Now let me just unbox it and see how this tripod mount for my phone for my iPad is gonna look. So now let me just open it up, and I will play. I will just continue with the video. So I just basically unboxed everything because I wasn't able to do it with only one hand, so I just unboxed it, and this is exactly what's inside of it. Let's see how this thing looks like. So this is for the iPad. Yeah, so then you can increase that. We'll see how it's gonna fit. Yeah, there's a screw, you can increase that over there. And this is for the phone. This is for the phone. Yeah, I'm gonna screw them up in a few seconds, and we'll see how they look like. So this is basically the end result, so this is the phone tripod mount. It didn't come with this, I just got the mount over there. And I just hooked up the iPad over here, so this is basically it, and that's definitely worth it, and it's really not that expensive to get to. But I'm definitely going to be using them on my iPad because the camera is kind of like really nice, and it also has like a very good screen that's kind of like wide and gives you really good options, to zoom in, to zoom out. And over here too, if I want to have, just even have like a vlogging thing going on or stuff like that, this can definitely help. So if you guys want to check out the product too, or you want to sign up for a Webull app, just go check it out. And yeah, they'll hook you up with Amazon gift cards and stuff, and you'll be able to get all these kind of fancy products, So I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace out.